We all know the rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. We're told this simple hack saves our eyes. But what if the most important benefit isn't for your eyes at all? What if it's the 20-second reset your brain is begging for? The eye strain part is 100% true. When you stare at a screen, your ciliary muscles are constantly flexed. Looking 20 feet away, at optical infinity, finally lets them relax. That's the physical benefit. But the real enemy is invisible. It's called digital burnout. Think about what your brain is doing. For hours, it's processing an endless, artificial stream of information. Emails, notifications, scrolling. This isn't natural. Our brains evolved to scan the horizon, then focus, then rest. Scan, focus, rest. Staring at a screen breaks this rhythm. It locks your brain into a constant high alert state. Your body doesn't know you're just working, it thinks you're tracking a threat. This state slowly drips stress hormones like cortisol into your system. That is why at 3 p.m. you don't just feel eye strain, you feel drained, foggy, irritable. Your focus is shattered. Your body is telling you it's been in a low-grade emergency all day. So we must upgrade this rule. It's not just a physical break, it's a mental reset. It's the punctuation your brain needs. First, set a 20-minute timer. Don't use a harsh alarm. Use a mindful bell sound. Treat it as a gentle reminder, a promise of self-care, not an interruption. When it rings, don't just look away. Stand up. This changes your posture and your entire physiological state. Look 20 feet away, out a window is best, and for those 20 seconds, don't just stare. Take 3 conscious breaths. Inhale, exhale. Feel your feet on the floor. Notice one color outside. Here's the science. When you stop focusing on input, the screen, and allow your mind to just be for 20 seconds, you activate something called the default mode network. This is your brain's creative or problem-solving mode. By taking this 20-second mindful break, you are not just resting your eyes. You are telling your nervous system the emergency is over. You are clearing your mental cache. You are allowing your best ideas to surface. Productivity isn't about working longer. It's about working smarter. It's not about time management. It's about mind management. You just reset your eyes and your brain. That is the definition of mindful productivity. Try this today, not just once, but every 20 minutes for 2 hours. See how you feel. When you feel that digital burnout, where do you feel it most? Is it physical tension in your eyes and shoulders, or a mental brain fog? Let me know your experience in the comments.